This is the GSM USA instruction video for assembling a complete safety fence system with door. To eliminate wasted time, place the crate as close to the worksite as possible. You will need to have the following tools: hammer, cutters for zip ties, drill with a Phillips head tip, N6 Allen wrench or bit, 2 magnetic levels, M10 wrench, and impact drill. Take notice of the following important information on every order. The address label. The number in the lower left corner is the GSM sales order number. This will be needed if you require further assistance with your order. Make sure to remove the packing slip from the crate and store it in a safe place. The packing slip is used to control the material that arrives with the shipment. For all GSM orders, the parts are labeled using small color stickers with numbers on them. Look at the line number on the packing slip to identify the item.
Remove crossbar from crate.
Then cut the shrink wrap from top to bottom and remove all wrap from the exterior of the crate. Remove the white hardware box from the crate. Open the box and control the material from the packing slip. If available, the drawing of the layout will be zip tied to the door or last panel. Cut the drawing loose and place it aside in a safe location. Remove the top cross pieces from the crate. Cut the zip ties from the vertical boards to remove the door. Next, remove the front vertical boards. Remove the doors from the crate. Cut shrink wrap from around the panels, again from top to bottom, then remove the shrink wrap. Cut all remaining zip ties to remove the panels. When removing the panels, be sure to sort them by similar size, as this will speed up the installation process. Remove posts from the crate. Now you're ready to begin your installation. First, locate your drawing. Pick a starting point to begin the install. For this project, we decided to begin with the door. Place the door in the correct location on the site. Next, we will connect the panel to the door. It's better to hold the next post and attach it to the panel, then attach this section to the door. Hold your post and panel. Line up the mounting brackets on the panel with the shoulder bolts on the post, then push down to secure. Once this step is complete, you can move on to connecting this section to the door. Stabilize the door with one hand while attaching the combined panel and post section with the other hand. Secure them into place. Repeat this process until the entire system is complete. GSM's posts come drilled on 3 out of 4 sides. However, shoulder bolts are only located on 2 of the 3 sides. If needing a corner post, just move the shoulder bolts from one side of the post to the back side. Once panels are attached to the posts, secure them into place with the provided screws and washer. Before you can attach the panels to the back side of the door, you will need to remove the transport bar.
If installing hinge blocks first, remove the shoulder bolts from the posts and mounting blocks on the panel. Mount the long component on the post with one short screw. Mount the short component on the panel with one short screw. Align both components. Insert long screw through both hinge block components. Begin to tighten screw with Allen key as you adjust panel to desired angle. Once the panel is at desired angle, fully tighten to secure into place.
After all fencing is in place, you are ready to anchor the post to the floor. Use the drill to drill holes into the concrete for the anchor bolts. Use shop vac following this process to remove the dust from the hole. Using a hammer, drive the anchor bolt partway into the floor. Slide the shim plate under the foot pad once anchors are in the front and back of the post. Add leveling screws. Here is where you want to use the 2 magnetic levels. Place one on the front of the post and one on the side perpendicular to the front side. As you adjust the height of the screws, keep an eye on the levels to make sure everything is staying squared. The final step is to use the wrench and tighten the anchor bolt into place. Use phone to scan a QR code on the door for wiring instructions. Remove parts that are zip tied to the door wing. The black triangle key is used for the solenoid. The silver key is used on the push buttons. The silver handle is to be mounted to the actuator. Add the silver handle to the knob on the actuator and use the included screw to attach as shown.
Zip tied to the door wings of the fully pre-wired doors, you will find the female Harding connector that includes the connector pins used to wire your cables. Once wired, plug the female connector into the male connector located on the back of the doors.
After plugging in the cable, test the door and lock to ensure it works properly.